थोड़ा सा मेकअप कर ली थी. आई वॉन्टेड टू से नो मेकअप मेकअप, मैं नॉन मेकअप बोल. नॉन मेकअप मेकअप कर रहे हैं गाइस. या बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. आई नो आई लुक लाइक but trust the process. Why am I making this video? God knows why. Probably I will just watch it later on after 1 or 2 years. Literally, I do that to see the kind of person I was, because I keep changing. I don't know about you, but me as a person, मतलब कोर नहीं, ऊपर ऊपर के जो habits, likes, dislikes, that keeps changing, and I look like a monkey now. I have cough and cold. I'm still recovering. This is like the 5th day. मेरे medicines भी ख़त्म हो गए, but it is what it is. So I have decided that I will do daily vlogging because high pressure में ही काम हो रहा है अभी, not with no pressure, because literally I couldn't edit a single video जो इतना अच्छा था, and it's been a year. I don't know if I will ever post that video. मेरे birthday का, then I went to Goa for a trip, my birthday trip. I just I was just overthinking, procrastinating, and I didn't post it, as you know. Anyway, I am starting डेली व्लॉगिंग. मेरे को हंसी आ रही है अंदर से बोलते हुए कि कैसे होगा क्या, बट आई रियली वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज multiple attempts of failing at being a YouTuber, thinking that I will need the best equipments, best lighting, best background, best situation जिसको मैं vlog कर पाऊँ. बट एट दी एंड कुछ ना कुछ तो रहता ही है भाई, लिटरली, बिकॉज आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट, समटाइम्स एन एम्बीवर्ट, मतलब ये फ्लक्चुएट होते रहता है. एज सुन एज आई स्टेप आउट, आई डोंट इवन लुक एट पीपल, आई वॉक लाइक दिस. सो इमेजिन मी व्लॉगिंग इन पब्लिक, you know, and then there was so much happening all in my head, all in my head. I don't know if it was really happening. So anyway, lot of things have happened. Today is which day? Wow, मैंने watch भी उल्टा ही पहना है. वैसे by the way, girls are supposed to wear their watches on right. It's good for business and all. Talking about business, wait, ये वाला angle अच्छा नहीं है. This is today's bag. I love this bag. I remember I literally saved up. मेरा आवाज़, ignore my voice, okay? I saved up like I think for a month for this bag, and then I don't think I've worn it like more than 5 times, which is sad. But yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna wear it today. So I'm just telling you randomly because this is random at this point. But yeah, I have started my own brand. I can't believe it. Bhai saab. Bhai, literally max to max 1 year back, anyone would have told me ki you are gonna start a business on your own, and that also clothing business. Bhai, मैं तो I would have just been like, are you crazy? Seriously, I know I was very scared of businesses because I don't know, मतलब I know how much work, money, investment in every form goes for that one thing, and if it fails, I am scared of failures, obviously, like everyone else, because I have started over so many times. YouTube किया कितने बार, नहीं हुआ. Content creation किया, नहीं हुआ. मतलब there were so many people who were appreciating. I used to get few views here and there, but it never really, turned out to be something major. But and then I give up. Then I'm like, okay, fuck it, I'm not gonna do it. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. But then at the end of the day, मतलब after few weeks, after few months, I end up being like थोड़ा ये वाला आइडिया करके देख लेती हूँ, थोड़ा यूट्यूब फिर से करके देख लेती हूँ, थोड़ा मोटिवेशन आ गया है, थोड़ा you just end up going in that thing because maybe it was meant to be. I don't know. Okay, so I'm talking randomly because this is how I talk. Okay, एक टॉपिक से दूसरे टॉपिक पर. So I am taking my protein bar in my bag because today is going to be a long day. I know this will not even last for half a day. फिर थोड़ा सा मेकअप क्यों ले रही हूँ मैं? एक्चुअली मेकअप नहीं लेना. Yeah, I have started my own brand. So today's video is basically कि I am going for sourcing fabrics. I am doing a pop-up in Soho House. First pop-up. मैं खुद को ही जज कर रही हूँ कि मेरे को विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है कि भाई है इतना हो गया. एंड मेरे को डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं हो रहा. मेरे को हो ही नहीं रहा कि मतलब हो रहा है बट नहीं भी हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो, whatever. Okay, so I have my brands pop-up in Soho House, Mumbai का सबसे posh place. I haven't even gone there. I mean, for whatever you need some membership and all that to go for the cafe. That's what I've heard. मेरे को पता ही नहीं है. Anyway, I'm being too frank right now. Anyway, so I just saw a post on Instagram from my college का senior कि she's doing it there. Then I was just like, okay, कितना अच्छा होता मैं भी करती. तो मैंने just देखा कि they have another pop-up and I was like, okay, मेरे को भी ले लो. I just filled the form and they just reached out to me and I was the last person जो वो वाले slot के लिए, मतलब एक ही जन का एक ही place था, एक ही brand के लिए space था. And I got it. Oh my god. And it is scaring me because मेरे पास इतना इन्वेंट्री था, बहुत सारा, वो ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो गया है टू फुलफिल दिस पॉपअप्स इन्वेंट्री. व्हाटएवर, I need little bit more of few fabrics and all. So I think it will be a good day to just take you guys I don't know who will watch this. Anyway, I'll watch it. It's okay. हाँ, मेरा रबर गिर गया. This is very important भाई. मैंने इतने सारे लाए और इतने सारे घुमा दिए. 5 बचे होंगे मैक्सिमम. Anyway, let's go. My टेलर अंकल मास्टर जी जिनके साथ मैं मेरा ब्रांड खोला है, इट्स लिटरली जस्ट हिम एंड मी. मेरी एक इंटर्न थी बट शी हैड टू लीव बिकॉज ऑफ कॉलेज. सो इट्स जस्ट हिम एंड मी एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना गो इन माई कार. And go and source few fabrics. बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया है ना, but that's how much sometimes I talk. So yeah, let's go. Let's meet my dogs. Hello. Coffee in there. Trying to find swatches. मेरे पैसे जाने वाले हैं भाई साहब. कितना खर्चा क्यों होता है guys? Running a brand so expensive. day where I have given up on everything. I haven't had any kind of food. My head is blasting. I am overthinking because of so much fabrics that I have gotten, and let me tell you, this I have done like ऐसे, मतलब कैसे बताऊँ, कंजूस हो के मैंने लिया है फैब्रिक्स. लास्ट टाइम आई हैड गॉटन सो मैनी फैब्रिक्स. अभी उसका वी हैव मेड सैम्पल्स, तो थोड़ा सा साइजिंग लाइक 2-3 साइजेस सब डिज़ाइंस में बनाने हैं. और फॉर द पॉपअप so that's why we came, and then we had to get the inner, मतलब lining जो होता है. So we also had to get the lining of every single design, which I didn't have an idea about कि ये करना है. I thought only black and white का inner लेना है, and that will take a lot, like 15-20 meters. But ends up my master G wanted every single color. मतलब रेनबो में इतने कलर्स नहीं होंगे जितने मैंने लिए हैं फॉर द लाइनिंग, एंड इट्स गुड क्वालिटी एंड इट्स एक्सपेंसिव. सो आई हैव टेकन अ लॉट, लिटरली अ लॉट. आई थिंक, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इट. आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड सो मच मनी ऑन दिस collection, so this better work. Okay, मेरे दिमाग में बस यही आ रहा है कि अगर मैंने ये पैसे डाल दिए होते ट्रैवलिंग में, या कुछ बैग ही ले लेती मैं, मतलब थोड़ा कोच का या कुछ भी. आई नो इट्स नॉट, यू कैन लुक एट माई फेस एंड सी कि मैं कितना धूप में घूमी हूँ. द एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. ओके, एनीवे, आई एम सेइंग दैट आई वाज सेइंग दैट आई वुड हैव, मेरे दिमाग में ये सब चीज़ें आ रही कि आई वुड हैव ब्रॉट अ कोच बैग, या फिर मैं घूमने चली जाती फ्रेंड्स के साथ, शॉपिंग कर लेती मैं. बट ठीक है, मतलब आई नो बहुत बहुत खर्चा हो रहा है, बहुत, मतलब आई कांट इवन टेल यू, इतना खर्चा हो रहा है. एंड इट इज़ सो मच ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ योर टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. वेट, आई हैव टू, मेरे को स्कैनर में पैसे भेजने हैं. वेट, सांस लेती हूँ पैसे चले जाते हैं भाई. मम्मी, दिस इज व्हाई आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, बिकॉज आई नो दिस इज लाइक अंधा इन्वेस्टमेंट. आई हैव टू जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, हैव सम फेथ कि चल जाए बस. ओके, टुडेज वीडियो इज रियली लाइक, थोड़ा मेंटल स्थिति हिल गई है मेरी. आई वुड मोस्टली कॉल माई फ्रेंड्स एंड टेल देम ऑल दीज थिंग्स, और माई डैड कि ये हो रहा है भाई. बट एवरीवन इज बिजी एंड इट्स अ गुड थिंग, क्योंकि आई एम व्लॉगिंग ऑल्सो, सो यू गाइज नो वॉट एक्चुअली हैपन्स. एंड मेरे को इतना सर्दी हो गया है, इतना कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ. माई ब्रेन इज मे बी नॉट वर्किंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज मेरे को माइग्रेन हो गया है. And I am hungry, I am tired, I don't want to exist. It is that hour of the day. I don't know if you guys have that in your life or in your days, कि it's that moment when you're like, भाई मेरे को नहीं करना कुछ. Yeah, I'm at that. Yeah, we have more stuff. होमसिक भाई मेरे को हो जाता है, बस हो जाता है. होमसिक इज माई मिडल लाइन. मेरे को घर जाना है, मेरे को मेरे बेड की याद आ रही है, मेरे डॉग्स की और खाने की और नाइट सूट. planet. Puppy! Hello! 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 Puppy! Shadow! Time to eat. I have changed in my pajamas and first meal of the day.
Please join me in here, no? Hey, there he is. Yeah. Not always Mr. Nice Guy, you know. Sometimes a little vice, a bit of. We're googling. It turns out that Queen Esther is the hero of the story.
Yes, who couldn't sleep? All I could think about is what kind of design I could make in the fabrics that I have gotten. ठीक है, मेरा दिमाग बंद ही नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब I tried doing everything. I tried shutting the windows, putting the curtains, putting the fan on the right amount of speed, getting the blanket, getting cozy, shutting off my Netflix, my phone, everything, cuddling with my dogs. It's not working. I can't stop thinking about the pop-up and how I want everything to be perfect and how much money I need to save, and also how much money I have already spent and how much money I need to make. This vlog, for the first vlog, this is a lot, okay? I am vulnerable. I don't know. Too much. You know, I thought I'll just get myself something to drink because I have to go to the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym after 5 days, I think, a week, because I was sick. I couldn't breathe. I still can't breathe, by the way, but मतलब I can breathe थोड़ा better than so many days where I could just not be like इतना भी नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some coffee and I'm gonna edit this vlog if I have the time. I am sure I have the time. I will do it. It's okay. Let's just make, yeah, don't mind my extra large t-shirt. That's how girls roll at home anyway. I would have my coffee cold. That's why this has happened. And मैंने I think एक हफ्ते से कोक नहीं पिया भाई. डाइट कोक नहीं पिया मैंने. Literally during lunch today I was like, only that is missing, or else this would have been the most perfect meal ever. You know, I have become that person. Literally, I used to never have soda. I used to get stomach ache. मेरा पेट इतना दुखता था after having soda. I don't know, but diet coke से मेरा कुछ नहीं होता. And I could easily have 2, or sometimes on a bad day have 3 cokes in a day. Mostly I would stick to only 1. एक तो चाहिए था. But this cold has pushed me to like take care of my health only for a few days. I know after like this is better. I hope it's better. I know I will go back to the bad habit of having a coke every day. But it's just so good. I don't know what they put in it. I don't want to know. It's so good. Can you tell that I'm an introvert? I can't. I don't like the smell of milk at all. But when I have to have coffee, doesn't matter. Guys, literally, obviously this is not sponsored because look at the subscribers I have. Dark joke. But Impulse coffees, bhai saab, I'm sorry, but I have had almost all the coffees. मतलब Sleepy Owl, Davidoff. Literally Davidoff is good only. Nescafe though it's basics, but that is also good. But the way Impulse coffee hits, I don't know what Sarah, which vendor she got it from. All मतलब मेरे पास 2 flavors है, this mocha thing and mocha pe choka. The names are funny, huh? Funny in the sense it's very desi, but like she knows her audience anyway. And the other one is this strawberry thing, which is, this is my second bottle by the way, and I am very conjuice when it comes to buying things. You must have understood by this vlog. I am impulsive when buying things, but अभी जब भी थोड़ा बजट टाइट हो जाता है ना, आई एम लाइक नहीं चाहिए भाई, नहीं लेना मेरे को वगैरह वगैरह. And this is for like 530 rupees, this small bottle, but it's so good bhai. Every coffee you make, it's like better than Starbucks or any cafe. So I feel like कि इसमें तो at least even if 10 भी बन जाए ना, which is minimum, पैसा वसूल भाई. Like every single time the coffee is so good. बहुत बोल दिया ना, ऐसे मिलनी चाहिए इस बात की. My brain is just not shutting up. Get this coffee. There's no one at home, so this is the perfect time to do bakchodi. And that's why I can vlog in the house, because no, not even in front of my parents I will become an extrovert, ambivert, whatever. Only when I'm alone. So yeah, let's have some coffee. You know, yesterday I tried to film a reel, मतलब get ready with me types था थोड़ा. I was talking and all, and the whole time I was looking at my mic कि if it's on, I know कि this is the worst nightmare of any content creator कि you are having a chit chat video and then mic ही बंद है. मैं पूरे टाइम देख रही हूँ उसको कि एक लाइन बोल रही हूँ, देन कट करके आई एम चेकिंग इफ द माइक इज ऑन, एंड इट वॉज ऑन बिकॉज ग्रीन लाइट मतलब इट्स ऑन, बट द लाइट वॉज ब्लिंकिंग. तो आई थॉट कि हाँ भाई, मतलब इट्स बीन अ व्हाइल सिंस आई शॉट एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर. इंग्लिश ग्रामर मेरे से नहीं हो रहा अभी, बट आई एम श्योर आई सेड इट राइट. माई मॉम इज हियर नाउ, आई हैव टू बिकम एन इंट्रोवर्ट. Yeah. Anyway, so basically my video was of no use because कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. मतलब कुछ भी जो भी मैंने बोला रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. भगवान कुछ चाहते ही नहीं है मेरे को मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनूँ भाई. कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ये तो कोई तो ऐसा मिर्ची कर रहा है क्या मेरे पे. कॉफ़ी कम डाल दिया मैंने, क्या पोपट ही कर दिया. वेट, डाल दिया मैंने कॉफ़ी. कलर भी चेंज हो चुका है. दैट्स हाउ यू नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी गुड. मैंने शुगर नहीं डाली है. दैट्स हाउ यू नो आई एम नॉट ओके. Am I okay? I am not okay. God. हाँ चलो, take 3. That's my dog. चिक कर रही है. Anyway, अभी तो I don't think anything is missing, but let's see. हाँ भाई, finally. I'm trying to. Ooh. She yawn, huh? See? What did I see? I can't believe she's so big. You're so big. You're so big. You're so big. You're so big. No, you are so big. You. Don't know who watched this. Don't care. Actually care a little bit. I wish I could be those girls who could just, wear sports bra or like a crop top to the gym, but how they do it? It's not about the body, it's about the confidence. The male gaze, hate it. Absolutely hate it. Just hate being around testosterone. I'm sorry if you are a man or a male, whatever, watching this, but it is a feeling, okay? I wish there were female gyms, I wish I have that kind of money that I open a female's gym. Only females gym and उसके नीचे cafe हो, मस्त cute, healthy and unhealthy stuff. Least favorite ये जगह पे vlog कर रही हूँ। ये कैसा इंट्रोवर्ट है भाई। Meet my car. Luxury in life, blessing in life. Some stupid person has parked his bike in front of my car when it's not their parking. Why do you do all this? Do you see how speechless I got after seeing a person, specifically a man? Oh my god, I want to vlog. How do I vlog? I don't think you can see me. Keep it here. Not a great angle. Stop giving me looks. Let's go. Let's shut this. Okay. I don't think this is a very safe spot to keep my phone, but let's see. Sometimes I love driving and sometimes I just can't, but yeah, am I the only one, or do you guys also get like the most मतलब एकदम ऐसे लाइफ वाले, ये भाई कैसे चलाते लोग? Great. Anyway, like the most मतलब ऐसे वाइज वाले थॉट्स कि ओ माय गॉड मुझे ये लिखना चाहिए था थॉट, मैं इतनी स्मार्ट हूँ. आई कांट एक्सप्लेन लाइक द मोस्ट डीपेस्ट थॉट वाइल यू आर ड्राइविंग और इवन वाइल यू आर टेकिंग अ शावर, नहाते वक्त और ड्राइव करते वक्त. पता नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ा मेडिटेशन तो नहीं बोल सकते, दैट इज द मोस्ट ऐसा केयरलेसली यूज्ड वर्ड. सो मेडिटेशन तो नहीं है ये. फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो जाता है कभी कभी ड्राइव करते वक्त, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट नो हाउ टू वॉक ऑल्सो ऑन द रोड एंड ड्राइव तो छोड़ ही देते हैं. मेरा फोन घूमने वाला था. Anyway, exactly my point. There is a fucking footpath. Use it. Oh my god. Yeah, how can this be meditation? This is exactly why these are the cons for not liking how like driving, you know. And like people walk on the road and then when you horn or wait at least, you know, for 10 seconds for them to like leave the space, they just keep giving you looks. By the way, I'm waiting for my friend. I am not picking him up. I'm just waiting near my building. That is too much information. Anyway, I'm waiting for him to come so we can go to the gym together because too much kharcha. Might as well take him along. और मेरा मिरर ठीक कर देती हूँ मैं. Please. This is the most randomest vlog and I love it because it's kind of therapy for me. Because all of the this is just one thought that because when you're talking you just say one sentence, right? मेरे दिमाग में at least 25 sentences चल रहे अलग अलग टैप में. You might also call it ADHD, but I'll ignore that. Yeah, anyway. Let's just wait for this person to come. Let me call. Picture ka light is better. I don't want too much focus because there are people waiting at the bus stand and I don't want them to just look at me. They are looking at me, but I don't want to make it obvious. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm on a call. Anyway, won't be covering recording this person because privacy reasons. And yeah, an uncle just gave me a stare and he probably thinks I'm on a video call. So this is the hack that I just found for myself. I'm sure you guys might have known this before, but मेरे लिए बहुत ऐसा golden magic word भी नहीं बोल सकता, magic something, you know, to vlog. Oh my god, I'm loving this. मैं इतना बात कर रही हूँ. I feel like laughing at myself, thinking कि what will I say in a vlog. I'm talking the most randomest shit and I love it, you know. I promise you, I'm actually very funny, and there are times when people have come and told me like you're so funny. I'm sorry if it sounds narcissistic, but I'm just self-aware right now because I'm like मैंने ये record क्यों नहीं किया, इतना अच्छा मैंने बोला है जो भी, and I have no idea कि मैंने क्या बोला है. After like the party is over or whatever, the cafe hopping is over and all, and I've forgotten everything. मेरे को याद आएगा तो I will tell you obviously, but yeah, there is an auto uncle beside me parked his auto, and yeah. Gym after 7 is like a fucking nightmare. Done with the workout, hair supplements is life. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. आज बहुत ज़्यादा ही हमने बड़बड़ कर लिया है. मुझे इसको edit भी करना है, so that's another task. So yeah, let's see tomorrow. Let's see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.